Hey everyone, today we're doing an unbiased review of a product called Sugar Defender to see if it lives up to its claims. So what exactly is Sugar Defender? It's a dietary supplement that contains 8 natural ingredients, including eleuthero, which increases energy and reduces fatigue, coleus, which aids in the fat burning process, and chromium, which reduces obesity, lowers blood pressure, and is meant to help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. The company claims this supplement can help manage blood glucose, improve insulin sensitivity, support healthy weight management, and reduce sugar and carb cravings. That all sounds great, but does it actually work as advertised? To find out, we dug into the research behind the key active ingredients. Gymnema, maca root extract, and chromium have shown some potential to improve blood sugar control and insulin function in studies. Ginseng also has research suggesting it can help lower blood glucose. The references to the scientific studies are included in the description below. That said, Sugar Defender does have many positive reviews from customers saying it helped them manage cravings and blood sugar. Of course, individual results may vary. It's also free of major allergens and stimulants. Overall, Sugar Defender has some promising ingredients for blood glucose support, even if more evidence is still needed. It may be worth trying for some people struggling with sugar cravings or high blood sugar. Feel free to give it a try because the product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied with the results, you can get your money back. Thanks for watching this unbiased review. Like and subscribe for more supplement breakdowns.